Tizzler and Bowie here from Dance Teacher Web, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a transitional step just as big as your big dance moves. So we're going to start with the kickball change. So a kickball change is usually just this, but if you add your arm or change the direction or kick it around, you can make it bigger than what it really is. So one of the steps that I usually use and I want to show is called the kick knee out. So usually I'll have you kick, knee out. So coming from a kickball change, it'll look like this. Kickball change, kickball change, kickball change, kick knee out. And that's kind of cool just to add in there. I usually, which is another way I think it is really good to change the direction and the angles of it so that you can see the levels and dynamics of how a simple step can really just be amazing. And this is a really good traveling step. So if you just look back and then change the arms or change it, you know. So that really works. And I think that's a great step to incorporate in your choreography. And you can actually do this with a lot of steps. The Criss Cross is another one. So the Criss Cross is just this, but you can, you know, just add arms to make it bigger than what it really is. And even this, you know, everyone does this, but you can add a pull to it, which is also the running man. So these are just different ways to use transitional moves to make them just as big as your biggest hip hop moves. Thanks for watching.